Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on it or by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the circle with the line inside of it rather. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and once you find it, you want to enable the mode, you simply tap on this icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb. The icon will get highlighted. It will also appear right here at the top. And if you go back to watch face, it will also appear on the watch face, which all tells you that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, you open the quick panel again, find the icon, tap on it again. You will see the message Do Not Disturb again. The icon will go back to the gray color. It will disappear from here and also from the top of the watch face, which of course indicates that the mode is disabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.